Good evening, and welcome to Scrolling and Making with Russ, just a show update. This is not going to be a long, carried out ordeal. I just wanted to bring y'all some information about the show and some decisions I've made. I'm going to back off and take a little break from the show for a while for the next few weeks. Things have happened in my personal life. I think a lot of y'all know, and I've said on the show, that my wife and I are taking care of Millie and Mason, Amber and Clay's, our grandchildren, and they're 2 years old, and trust me, you cannot take your eyes off of them for one moment. So there's no possible way I can get anything done in my shop on Mondays and Tuesdays with them here. So, I have a lot of fun with them, but they're just, at 2 years old, they're into everything. So we're going to watch them. So that leads me to Wednesdays. Most of the day on Wednesdays, I'm preparing for the show on Wednesday night. So now I've got my Wednesdays tied up, and then you got Thursday and Friday, and then usually on Saturdays I prepare for the show. And during the week I have to invite guests and get all that kind of stuff done. As of right now, I got to step away and take a break. And I really hate that. I love doing the scrolling and making with Russ, and I hope everyone understands. But it's getting a little too stressful. Add that on top of running 3 challenges. July is the Whirligig Challenge. August is the Palette Challenge, and then you come along in October with the Scroll Saw Challenge. So it's just getting a little too much on me, and I need to step back and take a break. So that's mainly the reason what I'm just out here to say is, there's things around the house I want to get done. Me and my wife wanted to redo our kitchen. We need to remove some wallpaper and put some flooring down. And so even when I come back, I'm probably not going to do every Wednesday night. I'll probably end up doing, maybe every other week or something like that, just to give me a little break, and especially until after the first of the year. But I'm not going anywhere, and I am going to do the show. Just for the next few weeks especially, I need to take a little step back and get my... And another thing is I got to get my creative juices flowing. When you've been doing these shows for this long, sometimes you run into a roadblock and you can't come up with anything else, or you feel like some of the things you are doing are just so repetitive and repeatable that I don't want that for part of the show. I want to come up with new and interesting things. And I don't feel that right now is where the show is going. So that's another thing. And then, we got my yard is out of control. We went for day after day, week after week of nothing but rain, and finally we're getting a little slack. Thank God. And so, I need some stuff to do. I got some stuff I got to get done in the yard too before winter hits. And so, I hope everyone understands. I appreciate you watching me on Wednesday nights, and then on Saturday nights also on the Let's Talk Shop with Russ show. I appreciate it so very much. And like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I assure you I will come back. And thank you so very much for understanding. And God bless.